How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door post. Done a really nice slick Artic White. Just a cool car, guys. It's original grill and all the grill moldings like new, excellent condition. It's got re-chrome bumpers, all new parking light housings. This car had a complete frame-off build a few years back. Car's real slick down the sides. I really like the red striping in the Bel Air moldings. Just gives it a real nice touch. Offsets against the white real nice. Got the taillights with the blue dots. The rear bumpers all been redone, and the bumper guards. Taillight bezels all look real nice. Got the dual side view mirrors. Nice set of 17-inch American racing wheels. It's got a GM Performance 383 Holly electronic ignition. It's aluminum headed motor. It's got power steering. It's got your power disc brakes. Heavy duty aluminum radiator. Got a Muncie 4-speed trans. It's got a posi rear with a 323 gear. Great cruiser. Got very nice gray interior in it. It's got power front windows. It's got I did it tilt column. It's got a classic instrumentation. All updated. See the headliner. Everything's very nice in the car. Got a nice set of bucket seats. All the jambs are painted real nice. It's got all smoke tint glass. It was all new when they did the car. All the weather stripping's been replaced. Trunks all finished nice. You have to kind of bear with us. It's only about 31 degrees out right now. But got a nice sunny day. Got a retrofit AM/FM stereo with the iPod capability. It's got your Hearst Competition Plus shifter. I really like the interior. They did a very nice job doing it. Thing fires right up. Just a cool car. Tell you, the white, good looking car in white. You don't see many of them. Got a nice set of duals all the way out the back. These cars are cool with the blue dots and the taillights. Just a super nice car, guys. Get in this thing, drive anywhere you want to go, have fun. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.